Welcome back, everyone. This is our last segment of today's English Learning Podcast. Aisha, are you ready to tell us what happened next at the Halloween party?
Yes, sir. After we finished our Halloween games and took many photos, something very funny happened.
Oh, really? Tell us, what was that funny moment?
Sir, one of my friends came late to the party. She wore a big pumpkin costume. It was huge and round. When she entered the room, she couldn't fit through the door properly. Everyone laughed so much.
That must have been hilarious. A pumpkin costume that big? I can imagine it. Did she laugh too?
Yes, sir. At first, she looked confused, but then she laughed with us. She said, "I didn't think this pumpkin would be so big."
That's the best part of Halloween. The joy, the laughter, and just being silly.
Yes, sir. We all danced, ate snacks, and listened to some English songs, too.
Wonderful. That's actually a great way to learn English, through songs. Music helps you remember pronunciation and rhythm.
Yes, sir. I tried to sing along. Some words were difficult, but I listened carefully.
Excellent. When you sing English songs, try to notice how the words connect. For example, when a singer says, "I'm gonna," it means "I'm going to." This is a natural contraction that native speakers use.
Oh, so gonna means going to?
Exactly. It's informal, but it's used very often in conversations. For example, "I'm gonna go to the party tonight" means I am going to go to the party tonight.
I see. That helps a lot. I always hear people say gonna or wanna, but I didn't know what they meant.
Yes, wanna means want to. For example, I wanna eat candy means I want to eat candy.
That's so useful. I can use that when I speak casually.
Exactly, but remember, use them only in speaking or informal writing. In formal writing or school essays, use going to and want to.
Okay, sir. I'll remember that.
Great. Now let's talk about your favorite moment of the Halloween party.
My favorite moment was the scary story time. Everyone sat in a circle and we turned off the lights. Only one candle was burning.
Oh, that sounds spooky.
Yes, sir. My friend started telling a ghost story. She spoke slowly and quietly. Everyone listened carefully. Some people even screamed when she said, "Boo!"
That must have been so much fun. Did you tell any story too?
No, sir. I was too shy. But next year, I will try.
That's a great goal, Aisha. You know, telling stories is an excellent way to practice English speaking.
Really?
Yes, when you tell a story, you use past tense, emotions, and expressions. It helps you speak naturally and confidently.
So it's like practicing real conversation.
Exactly. And you can even record yourself telling a story in English. Then listen to your voice and notice your pronunciation.
That's a good idea, sir. I will do that.
Wonderful. Now let's talk about some Halloween vocabulary you used today.
Okay, sir.
Teacher. 1. Costume. Clothes you wear to look like someone else. Example. I wore a witch costume. 2. Pumpkin. A big orange vegetable used in Halloween. Example. We carved a pumpkin face. 3. Candy. Sweet food, often given to children. Example. I got lots of candy from my friends. 4. Spooky. A little scary, but fun. Example. The spooky story made us laugh and scream.
Oh, I learned all these words today.
Excellent! Now, let's check some grammar we practiced earlier.
Okay, sir.
We used the past tense to talk about the party. For example, we danced. We laughed. We ate candy. These are past tense verbs. They show something that already happened.
I understand. Dance becomes danced. Laugh becomes laughed.
Perfect. You got it.
Sir, can you tell me one more thing?
Sure, Aisha. What do you want to know?
When I talk about something that happened, sometimes I forget to use ed or I mix tenses. How can I remember them?
Good question. The best way is to practice every day. You can talk to yourself in English about your day. For example, before going to sleep, say, "Today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I studied English." This will help you remember past tense forms.
Oh, so I can make it a habit.
Exactly. English grows through habits. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes.
Thank you, sir. I feel more confident now.
You should. You spoke clearly, used new words, and told a lovely story. That's real progress.
Thank you, sir. I enjoyed talking about Halloween. It was fun, and I learned a lot.
I'm glad to hear that. Before we finish, let's share one last English expression.
Okay, sir.
The expression is have a blast. It means have a lot of fun. For example, we had a blast at the Halloween party.
Oh, that's nice. We had a blast. I'll use that next time.
Great. Now, one pronunciation tip before we close.
Okay, sir.
When you say words ending in ed, like laughed or danced, the ed sometimes sounds different. Laughed sounds like laughed, t sound. Played sounds like played, d sound. Wanted sounds like want-id, I sound.
Oh, so ed doesn't always sound the same.
That's right. It depends on the word before it. We'll practice this in our next class.
I'll be ready, sir.
I know you will, Aisha. Well done today. You spoke with emotion, practiced grammar, and shared a lovely story.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. And to all our listeners, remember, learning English is a journey. Speak slowly, enjoy the process, and have fun like Aisha did at the Halloween party.
Yes, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just speak.
Perfect advice. All right, everyone, thank you for joining our English Learning Podcast. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and remember, have a blast learning English.